Hey, it's Miss Alana, and we are going to do part 2 of our multiplication challenge. So I forgot to write my name on my paper, so make sure you didn't forget to write your name on your paper. Write your name. Don't write my name right there. You could put my name right here for teacher. Don't put my name. All right, and you don't need the score. We'll do that when we're done. Write the date. I wrote the shortcut, 2/16/16. That's February 16, 2016. All right, so part 1, we did all our times 10 problems. This time we'll do all our times 5 problems. So look at the first row. I don't see any times 5 there, but I do see some. Oh, oops, I already showed you the answer. I started to do the sheet and I thought I was recording, then something messed up on the video. So I'm going to have to re-record it, which I'm doing it now. But some of the answers I'm going to have to just block it. Okay? So let's do this one, 3 times 5. So for 3 times 5, we can count by 3s or we can count by 5s. Let's count by 5s. How many times? 3. So count 5, 10, 15. So it's 3 times 5? 15, right there. Bam. All right, let's look at the next row. I did some on the next row too. Careful to not show you the answers. All right, 3 times 5. Oh, that's the same one we just did. What's 3 times 5? Count by 5. 5, 10, 15. And what's that? 15. All right, what about 0 times 5? Do you know what 0 times 5 is? 0. So anytime you multiply any number by 0, do you know what the answer is? 0. So if you do 0 times 5, what's that? 0. What if I have 0 times 1? 0. 0 times 10? 0. 0 times 14? 0. 0 times 100? 0. 0 times 5,000 is 0. How about 0 times 1 million? That's still 0. So anytime you multiply something, any number by 0, that gives you 0. Because you didn't multiply anything. Nothing. All right, so let's look at some more times 5. All right, I see some on the next row. All right, so let's look at that one, 8 times 5. So we can skip count by 8 or we can skip count by 5. Which one do you rather skip count by? You could do either one. I think it's easier to skip count by 5. So let's skip count by 5. 8 times. Count with me. Ready, go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So 8 times 5 is 40. All right, how about this one? 1 times 5. That's just 5. Now, anytime you multiply a number by 1, the other number is the answer. So 1 times 5, 5. 1 times 1, 1. If I have 1 times 10, 10. 1 times 20, 20. 1 times 100, 100. 1 times 485 equals 485. 1 times 10,000 equals 10,000. 1 times 6 million equals 6 million. So those are the rules. If you multiply by 1, you get the other number always, no matter what. Now, we did these when we did 10 times 5, counting by 10s. But we could do count by 5s 10 times. Count with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. 50 right there. And there's another 50 right there. All right, look at the bottom row. 4 times 5, we can skip count by 4 or we can skip count by 5. Let's skip count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20. All right, the next one, 3 times 5. Now, we've done that already, but if you forgot, let's count again. 5, 10, 15. All right. Let's do this one. 7 times 5. 7 times 5. Count by 5. Ready, go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. 7 times 5 is 35. And we have one more, 9 times 5. Count with me, 9 times 5, 9 times. All right, we're going to count 5. Ready, go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. All right, so 9 times 5 is 45. All right, so that is all our times 5. So far, you should have all the times 10 done, all the times 5 done. Now, look, the rest that's left are all times 2. So click on part 3 and we'll do times 2. All right?